are born with some skills that are gifts from God to us. But definitely, the refinement of those skills is indispensable. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I, Shreya Katyal, welcome you all to today's talk. I'm at Marva Studios, and today we have a very special event, that is the inauguration of the 100th batch of AAFT, Asian Academy of Film and Television. Yes, it's the 100th batch. So let's see the event and get inspired. Today we have the 100th batch of Asian Academy of Film and Television. So coming on from an actor's family, how important acting was for you, and basically as a person, what is the definition of acting for you?
First of all, like to congratulate Asian Academy, like you said, is the 100th batch. It's a very big achievement, and these students are very fortunate to have this kind of infrastructure where they can show their talent and learn so many things. I think so. It is very important. बोलते हैं कि एक्टर इनबिल्ट होता है, एक्टिंग अंदर से आती है. आई एग्री टू दैट. बट ये जो आपके रफ एजेस होते हैं, these kind of institutes, even I went to an acting studio. Unfortunately, that time Asian Academy was not there, so Anil and me couldn't come here. So we went at that time to Mr. Roshan Taneja. So जो आपका टैलेंट है वो है ही, बट उसमें जो रफ एजेस होते हैं, जो कॉन्फिडेंस आपको देता है, वो इस टाइप का स्कूल देता है. सो आई फील इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक सो एवरी एक्टर, इफ ही गेट्स अ चांस, इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टिंग टाइम and waiting for an opportunity to learn this craft even better, you will only learn something. अगर आप में 98% टैलेंट है, वो 2% आप ऐड ही करोगे. कोई 2% करता है, कोई 10% करता है, कोई 20% करता है. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मुझे जब मैं एक्टिंग स्कूल में था तो मुझे ये भी लगता था कि इसमें 20-25 जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स थे, हम इतने ज़्यादा नहीं थे. बिसाइड्स एक्टिंग आपको ये सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस देता है बाकी चीज़ों लाइफ में भी, बिकॉज यू आर फेसिंग पीपल, यू आर एक्टिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, यू आर टॉकिंग टू अननोन पीपल, यू अपने आप को आप ओपन करते हो. तो सिर्फ एक्टिंग में नहीं हेल्प करता, ये आपकी लाइफ में भी आपको हेल्प करेगा.
Like refinement is indispensable. It makes you grow. Okay, so now coming on to the mantras and some inspiration for the students who have just stepped into a new field of acting. You are experienced, so horse's mouth, information coming from horse's mouth is indispensable.
Well, the most important thing is hard work. मतलब they must have heard this. Patience and believing in themselves. And जैसे मैंने अंदर कहा कि ये जो इनका जो सीखने का ये रूट है इनका, जो होता है कि जो एक जो शुरुआत है, तो ये नींव अगर वो स्ट्रांगली करेंगे तो आगे चलकर ये बहुत हेल्प करेगा उनको. एंड ऑब्वियसली विद एक्सपीरियंस वी ऑल लर्न, you know, besides talent there is nothing better than experience, so that automatically will come. But they should work hard, they should be patient, and they should be very passionate of whatever they're doing, whether they want to become an actor, whether a cinematographer, a director, a costume designer. You have to do it passionately, and you have to believe in themselves. I forgot to tell one thing over there to all the students. I gave the example of Mr. Raj Kapoor. I forgot to give the example of my father, where he used to say, "Ke don't only look at the 5 people who are ahead of you in life. Look at the other 94 who are behind you." You can feel कि ये जो 5 जैसे मैं बोला, उनको मैंने कहा था कि always see your glass as half full, never see it as half empty. बिकॉज आप जिस पोजीशन में हो, आपको कभी कभी लगता है कि जैसे किसी ने नेपोटिज्म की बात की, तो डोंट मतलब कंपेयर एंड डोंट, इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं, मतलब कि डोंट किल योर सेल्फ विद दैट एंड नेवर फील कि यार आई एम बेटर देन दैट वन. बिकॉज जी जो 94 आपके पीछे हैं उसमें कितने लोग आपसे बेटर होंगे आपको वो अंदाज़ा नहीं है. सो इफ़ यू आर इन दिस पोजिशन ऑल्सो, you are great. Today these students have got this opportunity. Trust me, why I'm saying this, there must be lakhs and lakhs of people who don't have the opportunity, who don't know, have the knowledge that such an institute is there, who may not be able to afford to come to this institute. So you are very fortunate to be part of this institute, so make the best of it.
Indeed. So it's all about Nazariya, right? Inspiration from a dynamic personality and experienced personality like you was indispensable for them. Thanks for talking to MSTV. Thank you.
Thank you.
Today we have inaugurated the 100th batch of AFT. What would you like to say about this batch? How would you inspire them from your experience?
Today I am feeling as if I am 100-year-old and I have an experience of 100 years of cinema. Because 100 batches it has taken my 25 years of life and it has given me an experience of 100 years, because dealing with 30-40,000 students who are keen in getting into films, television and media, because these students are very demanding. They have a lot of questions. They have got anxiety. They are very enthusiastic. They are eager to grow in life much faster. And I think with all that strength, energy and that kind of enthusiasm which students have given me in last 25 years, I have grown much bigger and much better than all these years. And I extend my heartiest thanks to each and everyone present here for the kind of a love, affection, cooperation, sincerity they have shown to me in reaching this beautiful event to happen. And we are so happy that today we are actually also creating our 7th world record, because we are the only institution in the world which is touching 100th batch or 100th session of media trainings. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, sir, and keep on inspiring people, because it's a walk in the corridors of eternity.
Thank you.
Thank you. The best kind of learning is that is beyond those four walls. And Asian Academy of Film and Television is a place where learning becomes fun. It is the 100th batch and there's a lot that has been done. Yet there's so much to be done just because it's a walk in the corridors of eternity. That's all for today in today's talk. I, Shreya Katyal, will be back with another amazing event for you. Till then, you keep watching MSTV, Har Pal Aapke Saath, and don't forget to stay connected.